What if you could own a stunning, modern home shaped like an L, built in weeks, not years, and for a fraction of what traditional construction costs? No, this is not a fantasy. It is exactly what thousands of homeowners in 2026 are doing with L-shaped prefab home kits. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what they are, what they cost, and most importantly, where to get your hands on one. So whether you are planning your first home, a vacation property, or a rental investment, stay with me, because I am going to walk you through everything you need to know before you spend a single dollar. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, the channel dedicated to helping you build smart, build affordable, and build right. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this one. Now let us get into it. Here is what most people get completely wrong about L-shaped prefab kits. They assume this is some kind of budget shortcut that leads to a flimsy, cookie-cutter house. But what if I told you that the L-shaped design actually solves one of the biggest problems in residential construction? And what if the companies selling these kits have already cracked the code on something that traditional builders are still struggling with? Keep watching, because I am going to reveal something in the Where to Buy section of this video that most people in the prefab space are not talking about openly. What exactly is an L-shaped prefab home kit? Let us start from the very beginning, because I want to make sure everyone watching is on the same page. A prefab home kit, short for prefabricated home kit, is a complete package of pre-engineered, pre-cut building components manufactured in a controlled factory environment, then shipped directly to your building site for assembly. We are talking about wall panels, roof trusses, floor systems, windows, doors, insulation, and in many cases, siding. Everything arrives numbered, labeled, and ready to go up. Now, an L-shaped prefab home kit takes that concept and applies it to a floor plan shaped like the letter L. Instead of a simple rectangular box, you get two wings of living space that meet at a right angle. One wing typically houses the bedrooms and private spaces. The other wing carries the living room, kitchen, and dining area. The result is a layout that creates natural separation between your public and private zones without needing a long corridor or a complicated floor plan. This is not a niche trend. The global prefabricated building market is currently valued at over $150 billion globally, with a projected compound annual growth rate exceeding 6% through 2030, and L-shaped configurations are one of the leading layout choices driving that growth because of the unique spatial advantages they offer. But more on that in a moment. Here is what you need to stay tuned for. Once we get to Section 4, the cost breakdown, you will see a number that shocks most first-time buyers, and not in the way you might expect. Why the L-shaped layout is dominating prefab in 2026. You might be wondering, why specifically the L-shape? Why not a rectangle, a U-shape, or just a simple square box? That is a fair question, and the answer comes down to 5 very practical reasons that make the L-shape one of the smartest floor plan choices available right now. First, it works beautifully on irregular or corner lots. If your land is not a perfect rectangle, an L-shaped home fits naturally into those awkward corners and angles without requiring expensive site grading or architectural workarounds. Second, the L-shape creates an enclosed courtyard or outdoor zone between the two wings. That recessed outdoor space becomes a private patio, a pool area, a garden, or a children's play zone, all sheltered from the street and from neighbors. You get outdoor privacy without building a fence around the entire property. Third, the layout is brilliant for multi-generational living. Grandparents, adult children, or in-laws can occupy one wing while the main family occupies the other. You share a roof but maintain genuine separation. Fourth, the L-shape is structurally superior to a flat rectangle in several wind load and seismic scenarios, because the angled configuration distributes lateral forces more efficiently. That is why it is particularly popular in regions prone to high winds. Fifth, and this is the one that surprises most people, the L-shape can actually cost less to build with a prefab kit than a comparable square footage in a traditional layout, because the modular components align more cleanly with standard factory panel sizes, reducing material waste. In 2026, modular home construction can be built up to 30 to 50% faster than traditional stick-built homes, and the L-shaped prefab kit is one of the formats benefiting most from that speed advantage. But here is where it gets even more interesting. There is one specific type of buyer that the L-shaped prefab kit is absolutely perfect for, and I will tell you exactly who that is when we hit the pros and cons section. What actually comes inside an L-shaped prefab home kit? This is the part of the video where I want you to pay very close attention, because what is included in a prefab kit varies massively from company to company, and if you do not know what to look for, you could end up making a very expensive mistake. At the most basic level, a panelized or structural prefab kit typically includes engineered design plans, pre-cut lumber or steel framing panels, engineered roof trusses, exterior siding materials, windows and exterior doors, floor panel systems or floor trusses, insulation materials, and in some cases, drywall and interior wall sheathing. Mid-range and premium kits from companies like Nelson Homes USA, DC Structures, and ZipKit Homes tend to include more complete shell packages, meaning you get a wind and watertight structure ready for interior finishing when the kit is assembled. However, here is the important distinction that many buyers miss. Almost every prefab home kit excludes the foundation, plumbing and electrical rough-in, interior finishes, cabinetry, flooring, and utility connections. These are on-site costs that must be budgeted separately, and they can add between $30,000 and $100,000 or more depending on your land and location. In 2026, some of the more comprehensive L-shaped prefab packages are beginning to include smart home pre-wiring, energy-efficient insulation upgrades, and solar-ready roof panels as standard features, because sustainability is now a major market driver for prefab buyers. But the completeness of any kit depends entirely on the manufacturer and the tier you select. The key takeaway here is this: always ask for a full scope of supply document before you commit. Know exactly what arrives on your lot and what does not. Now hold on, because the next section is the one that almost everyone watching this video came for. How much does an L-shaped prefab home kit cost in 2026? Let us talk real numbers, because this channel has always been about honesty over hype. In 2026, prefab home costs range from $80 to $220 per square foot for a finished home, depending on the type of system, the level of finish, and your location. But for an L-shaped prefab kit specifically, the kit itself, meaning the materials and factory-manufactured panels before any on-site work, typically represents 50 to 70% of your finished home cost. The rest is site preparation, foundation, labor, permits, utility connections, and interior finishing. Here is a realistic cost breakdown by scenario. A basic 1,200 square foot L-shaped prefab kit shell, covering 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, with standard finishes, would see materials and kit cost in the range of $70,000 to $95,000. Add site costs, foundation, labor, and finishing, and you are looking at a total project cost of approximately $180,000 to $240,000. A mid-range 1,600 to 2,000 square foot L-shaped home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a covered courtyard patio would see a kit cost ranging from $110,000 to $165,000. Total project cost, including all site work and finishes, would run between $260,000 and $360,000. A premium L-shaped configuration with 4 bedrooms, high-end finishes, Energy Star insulation, smart home wiring, and a 2-car garage could push total project cost to $400,000 and beyond in high-cost markets. For context, according to 2026 data from Angie, the average modular home nationwide costs approximately $240,000, with ranges between $160,000 and $320,000. The key advantage is that prefab modular construction is typically 15 to 35% cheaper than a comparable custom stick-built home. One critical thing to budget for that most buyers forget: permit costs can add 5 to 20% to your overall budget depending on the municipality. And delivery of the kit itself costs between $2,000 and $10,000 or more for long-distance hauls. Now here is the cliffhanger I promised. The cost of the kit is only one part of the equation. In the next section, I am going to show you where to actually purchase these kits, and some of these sources will completely change how you think about the buying process. Where to purchase an L-shaped prefab home kit in 2026. This is the section you have been waiting for. Here are the most reliable and legitimate places where you can purchase an L-shaped prefab home kit in 2026, covering options from the United States, Canada, and the UK. ZipKit Homes is one of the most flexible panelized home kit providers in the United States right now. They deliver panelized wood and steel home kits throughout the entire continental US and offer prefab modular homes in select Western states. What makes them stand out is their design flexibility. You can start from a pre-designed floor plan and customize the layout, room sizes, windows, roofline, and garage to suit your specific needs, including L-shaped configurations. Their website is zipkithomes.com. DC Structures is a premium prefab home kit provider with an impressive collection of pre-engineered home designs. Their kits include engineered design plans, pre-cut lumber, windows, doors, and siding, making them a solid choice for buyers who want a high-quality, complete framing solution. They serve customers across the United States. Their website is dcstructures.com. Nelson Homes USA specializes in panelized prefab kit packages for U.S. residents. Their kits include pre-cut floor trusses, panelized walls that are pre-built and ready to stand up, engineered roof trusses, windows, exterior finish, shingles, insulation, and drywall. The company has a strong reputation for quality and on-time delivery. Their website is nelson-homes.com. DEN Outdoors offers modern flat-packed prefab cabin kits that ship to the continental US. Their kits are precision-cut and panelized, and their packages include wall and roof panels, exterior doors, windows, and detailed assembly instructions. They are a strong option if you want a smaller L-shaped layout for a guest house, vacation cabin, or short-term rental. Their website is deanoutdoors.com. For buyers in the UK, Canada, and Australia, platforms like Prefab Catalog.com serve as a comprehensive directory of prefab and modular home manufacturers globally. This directory lists verified manufacturers with details on their construction methods, delivery regions, and contact information, making it one of the best starting points for buyers outside the US. Amazon and eBay both carry prefab home kit listings, including shell kits, log cabin kits, and structural frame kits. While these platforms offer accessible entry points, particularly for smaller structures, buyers should proceed with caution, vet the suppliers thoroughly, and confirm local building code compliance before purchasing. For premium custom L-shaped prefab homes with full turnkey service, Alibaba and Global Sources connect buyers directly with factory direct manufacturers, many of whom offer custom L-shaped modular home packages with steel frames, insulated sandwich panels, and complete interior fit-outs. Several of these manufacturers ship globally, with containers delivered to your port of entry. The most important thing to do before purchasing from any source is to request a full scope of supply. Verify that the kit meets your local building codes, and confirm whether the seller offers assembly support or a network of certified contractors in your area. Do not buy a kit and then find out that no local contractor is familiar with that system. Now that you know where to buy, let me give you the honest truth about what this decision really involves, because there is a side to prefab kits that the marketing brochures do not always tell you. The honest pros and cons of L-shaped prefab home kits. This channel is called Affordable Homes and Plans, not Flawless Homes and Plans. So here is the balanced picture. On the positive side, L-shaped prefab kits are significantly faster to build than traditional homes. The factory manufactures your components while your site is being prepared simultaneously, cutting total build time dramatically. Prefab manufacturing in a controlled factory environment means consistent quality control, reduced weather delays, and less material waste than site-built construction. The L-shaped layout gives you a home that feels larger than its square footage because of the natural zone separation and the private outdoor courtyard it creates. On the challenging side, the factory quote is not the final cost. As mentioned earlier, site work, foundation, utility connections, and interior finishes can add $30,000 to $100,000 or more on top of the kit price. The tariff environment in 2025 and 2026 has affected prefab construction differently than site-built homes, particularly for steel frame kits that rely on imported materials, so pricing can fluctuate. Customization limitations exist with some manufacturers, particularly at the lower price points, and popular factories are currently running production backlogs of 8 to 20 weeks in 2026, so your timeline needs to account for that wait. The perfect buyer for an L-shaped prefab kit is someone who owns or is purchasing a corner lot or an irregular piece of land, wants clear separation between living zones, plans to use the home for multi-generational living or as a short-term rental, has done their local permit research, and has a realistic total project budget rather than just a kit budget. If that sounds like you, this could genuinely be one of the smartest housing decisions you make. What to check before you buy your kit. Before you click purchase on any L-shaped prefab kit, run through this checklist. Confirm that the kit complies with the building codes in your specific county or municipality, because what is approved in one state may not be approved in another. Ask the manufacturer for references from previous customers in your region who have successfully permitted and assembled the same kit. Verify whether delivery is included in the quoted price or charged separately, because shipping costs can be substantial. Ask specifically what is not included in the kit, not just what is. Get at least 3 quotes from local contractors who have experience assembling prefab panelized homes before you commit to a kit brand. And if you are purchasing for a short-term rental, check local short-term rental ordinances before breaking ground, because zoning rules around this have tightened significantly in many markets in 2025 and 2026. And that is your complete 2026 guide to L-shaped prefab home kits. We covered what they are, why the L-shaped layout is one of the smartest designs you can choose right now, exactly what comes in the kit and what does not, realistic costs broken down by home size, and the most trusted places where you can actually purchase one today. If this video helped you, do me a small favor. Give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below telling me which section was most useful for you, and share this video with someone who is planning to build a home this year. Your support is what keeps this channel going. And if you want to go even deeper, check out our video on panelized versus modular construction linked right up here. I will see you in the next one.